Hi guys, it's Nirmal from Nandanam Exotics and I'm back with a video again. This time we'll be looking at an indoor plant called as Peperomia caprata. It's a very pretty plant. We'll look at how we can care for this cute little plant. So friends, before we get into the details of the video, I hope you guys are enjoying my content. If you are enjoying my content and you are new to the channel, do subscribe to the channel. Also press the bell notification for new updates whenever I post new videos. So peperomias are of so many different varieties, and there are actually people who just collect peperomias into their collection. So it's such a rewarding group of plants to grow. Our plant of this video today is called as a Peperomia caprata, or emerald rippled peperomia, because of the corrugated heart-shaped leaves. They belong to the Piperaceae family, which also has peppers that we use as a spice in cooking and most cuisines. They are perennial and flowers in the summer with 5 to 8 centimeter long spikes. The flowers are not the reason why we grow them in gardens. The reason why we grow them is because of the beautiful corrugated leaves. There are few cultivars that are circulating in the nursery industry that gives you green, silver as well as coppery hues in the leaf. Mine is actually the silver version. I have planted mine in a plastic self-watering pot with a base where you can water the plant from the base. This particular pot has a cavity on the base that allows you to water from the bottom. You just have to fill up the tray in the bottom, and the medium that you have filled the pot up with will soak up the water as required. This is a good way of watering such delicate plants. This plant has a very shallow root system, and overwatering it can easily cause the plant to root rot. I have layered white pebbles on top of the medium to give it much more aesthetic beauty. Also, this prevents the medium from drying out faster and maintains moisture for longer periods of time. Also, the white pot combined with the white pebbles give a really good contrast to the dark colored plant and overall enhances the plant's beauty. As I mentioned earlier, Peperomia caprata has a very corrugated and textured leaf surface that can collect a lot of dust and dirt in its crevices. So in order to keep your plants clean, I would suggest you to spray them with a jet of water and dust off or wash off all that accumulated dirt. So friends, I just found this little guy munching off my plant. It's so small you won't even easily notice him. So while we are on the subject, the plant is very easily susceptible to mealybugs and spider mites. So always check on the underside of these leaves where they are easily found. Using a combination of neem oil and soap solution can easily get rid of these pests. The next major thing you have to keep in mind while growing this plant is that they love humidity. They can be easily grown in terrariums because of their small size and humidity loving nature. So give a spray and try to keep the plant moist if you are growing them in a very dry climate. They are shade-loving plants that prefer to grow on a northern or eastern window exposure. Any higher light can easily scorch the leaves. The last thing I'll be discussing about is fertilizing. A weak solution of organic or chemical liquid feed given once every 2 months is more than enough to sustain this plant. So friends, I hope you guys enjoyed today's Peperomia care guide. Do consider subscribing to other social media platforms from my channel. The links are in the description below. So until next time, it's Nirmal signing off.